I've got 5 ingredient, 5-minute, no bake espresso chocolate brownies for you today that are the ultimate. And when you're busy, this is what you need. So the first thing that you need to do is just tip your pecans into a food processor. I'm using pecans, but honestly you could use any nut, almonds, cashews, whatever you've got in the house. And then you just want to blend those up until they basically form a flour. It's just easier to blend those before you add the other ingredients. We're going to add our dates. I've pitted my dates, make sure you pit your dates. We're using Medjool dates because they're really, really sweet and sticky. And then we're going to add our cacao powder and coconut oil, which obviously makes it rich and chocolatey. Again, if you don't like it too chocolatey, maybe just lower the amount a teeny bit. And then we're going to have a little bit of maple. This is actually completely optional. You get more than enough sweetness from the dates. So if you'd rather that, then just skip that step out completely. And then just a teeny pinch of salt. And we're just going to blend that up a little bit. And then once that's looking kind of nice and sticky and gooey, we're going to add our espresso. So it's just 3 shots of espresso. Pour that in, and it's about kind of 40 mils per shot. So 40, 80, 120 in total. Pour it in, blend it up, and you just want to spread it into a lined baking tray. And then once it's in there, obviously just really smooth it out. And then we just put it in the freezer. And the freezer just allows it to set quickly, so it will take an hour or so. And icing, you could just keep super simple. Obviously you can do no icing, but if you'd rather, you could literally just melt some dark chocolate and drizzle that over. Today we're going to be using a little mix of almond butter, date syrup, cacao powder and coconut oil, which is going to make a really sticky little icing. Might put a little bit more espresso in it though if you want to keep that nice coffee theme going though. And then you can take it out, just drizzle your icing all over it, and then you just store them in the fridge if you don't eat them all in one go. They look so ooey and gooey and amazing, and they're just perfect because they then last for ages and ages, so you can make them for friends for a movie night or something. And then if you do manage to have any leftovers, then you can just keep them in the fridge and they'll be ready when you get home from work and want a sweet snack. You guys are gonna absolutely love them. So again, if you try them, please, please, please let me know, leave a comment, and let me know how you get on. You don't have to do them with coffee though. I love the espresso in there. It's a kind of really nice, rich flavor, but you can absolutely leave the coffee out if you much prefer that.